important is it then in that context? Smita talked about scaling up. How important then it becomes, to develop leadership so that you have that foresight, you have that wherewithal and the knowledge to say that okay, fine, I need to do as well.
Well, Mr. Pransi, knowledge is power. And also एक बात सही है, चाहे वो वुमेन हो चाहे मैन हो, श्रम के पौधे पर ही सफलता के फूल खिलते हैं. And the shrub of hard work only blooms the flowers of success. So basically, अगर आप उस बिजनेस को जिसको आप कर रहे हो, you believe in it 100%, and उसको आप अपना पूरा 100% देते हो, क्योंकि दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं है कि आप उसको बहुत बड़ा स्केल अप ना कर सको. Now what you are saying is basically knowledge, and there are such wonderful schemes like we were informed right now, the MSME schemes and everything. There are such wonderful schemes. We need advocacy for them. We need knowledge about them. Right now, Mr. Singh mentioned the Udyog Plus, the Aditya Birla Finance Capital, collateral free. It's an instant loan. So we need to have advocacy of all these people. There should be bodies who should be informing men or women about these things which are available. So then only that happens. And of course we need to create role models in the society. Successful role models need to be shown, showcased, because they serve as an inspiration to so many more. That's what we've been able to do at FICCI Flow. We've been able to 19 years ago the scenario in Jaipur was very different, but now you see we have empowered the women at another level. That when they are saying, when you go in circuits and everything, people are saying, okay, my wife, she's handling that factory of mine completely. Otherwise, it would be, आपको तो पता है जडेला साहब कैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर है जयपुर में, तो उसमें बहुत बदलाव ला पाए हम लोग, क्रांति ला पाए, बहुत बिजनेस लीडर्स हम इसीलिए क्रिएट कर पाए. But change हो गया है. But there has been, I'm talking about 19 years ago and today, I'm just saying, empowered women create an empowered nation. Mehta Sahab. So that is what we at FICCI Flow Yas, that's what we are trying to do our best in building a nation with women entrepreneurs leading the forefront.
Right. Ms. Sweta,